Hello guys, so today we'll be unboxing the Apple Vision Pro. So I have it here with me. So it's a big box. Let's see where do I open it from. So it has the arrow indicator over here. Ooh. So here it is. This is the box of the Apple Vision Pro. It's big. I think the biggest Apple box that I have seen. So this has the arrows on both the sides. Feels a little heavy to me. Have the polishing cloth in here. Yeah. And a few things. Here's the light seal. So I think the one that comes here is a thinner one and this is a thicker one. And then a lot of stuff for the Vision Pro. It looks like a book. Okay. And then we have the dual loop band here. This is the one that goes on top. And then here we have the battery, cable, and the power supply. Okay. It's a braided C to C. I think this is a 30-watt adapter. Yep. So yeah, let's check this out. This thing has a nice bulge to it. Ooh. This thing is actually better than I expected. So here's the Apple Vision. The size M. let's put on the head once. And yeah, you shouldn't try to hold it from your light seal because this thing will come out. Even this, it's always good to hold it from the metal part. So let me put it on and adjust it with this one. Okay, yeah. It holds pretty good actually, better than I expected. There is some light entering from bottom over here. Maybe because I have a small nose. Who knows? Let's see. Okay. As of now, it's basically blank. I don't see anything. Let's connect it and see. Here's the battery pack. This is the connector. And yep, this is pretty solid. It's like a power bank, the weight of it. And yep, let me put it in C. I'm just not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna power it on. Okay. Thing is glowing. And you can see Apple symbol over here. Interesting.
Triple click the digital crown for voiceover.
I'm gonna give it over here. Let's see how to fit this dual loop band. Okay, so this is how it comes. You gotta pull this for it to unlatch. And that's latched. Let's latch this side too. So that's how this dual loop band works. I love the fit of this. This thing was amazing. Let's put this also and see how it is. Okay. Yeah, this one's more solid on the face. Pretty good the way it is holding on. But I think that was a little bit more comfortable with very wide. But this is not bad too. I think this is the one to use when you're outside. But that thing looks cooler, right? Just comment down what you guys think looks better, this or that. And I even ordered the Belkin clip for the battery, the holder, and then a travel case by Apple. So check out my next video for those. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next video.